Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at how to use the Process Explorer. The Process Explorer enables us to see all the tasks our computer is working on, even the ones running in the background that we might not be able to see or aware of. It gives us a detailed information about each task, like how much memory it's using, how much of the CPU it's using, and what file or resources it's accessing. Now, in order for us to get our Process Explorer, you see the link on the description there. So once you've downloaded it, this is what you see on your screen. Now that is the process that's talking about the application that is being running on your system. Now beside the process, you see the CPU. Now the CPU column shows how much of the CPU's processing power each process is using, and as you can see, this is actually shown as a percentage. Now the higher the percentage indicates that that application is using much power. Now beside the CPU, you see the private bytes. Now the private byte column shows the amount of memory in bytes that is allocated specifically for that process. Now beside the private bytes, what you see is the working set. The working set column shows us how much physical memory the RAM each process is using at the moment. Now beside the working byte, you see the PID, that's the process identifier. The PID column shows the unique identifier for each process, and you see the description also beside the PID. The description in the Process Explorer column provides a human readable explanation of the process, helping us to understand which process it's for. Then you see the company name. The company name shows the company name that developed the software. So as you can see so far, all those attributes are what we can use in the Process Explorer.